Hello everyone, and today I want to presentation the lesson plan format. And my name is Santiago Jose Guerrero. This grade is beginners and the duration is 16 minutes, 1 hour. The learning outcomes is the pragmatic is students identify main ideas and supporting details in the short reading about environment care. The linguistic students use the target vocabulary and structure should simple person to write short, coherent sentence describing environment actions. Socio-effective is the students collaborate respectfully during the reading and writing task, showing environment awareness and responsibility. Well, for the one up, have the 5 minutes. In the objective principle is to introduce the topic of the environment care and activity students pure knowledge using videos and simple questions. Well, the first these activities is the grading and translation, that the teacher grades the class and writes the word in the presentation. Next, the teacher reads the word in the presentation and asks, do you know how the word environment is a sequence to the teacher have to do for have a dynamic class and didactic class, that the students can be entertainment or enjoy for the students and have a comfortable class. At the visual identification, we have the difference of the activities, that is the little questions in the right here is the one up. Well, yeah. The environment. Do you know this word? The air, water, and land in or which people, animals, and plants live here. Like all of us, the animals, the elephant, the giraffe, the dogs, the cats, the lion, the peacocks, the different animals. And what you can see here, and is this place clean or dirty? And this is half the activities that the students we can do for the warm up and the recognition what is in these two images. We have a difference words that the students and I have repeat after me for them they learn these words. This clean, dirty, recycle, tree, and water. For the next activity, have the recognition world place is dirty and world place is clean. What things or objects there are here, and what things there are here. We have here solutions or forms to help the environment, and what can I do for save the world. And this is the presentation of the taking care of our environment is the topic, the principal topic of all of the lesson plan number 2. Well, now for the stage number 1, have the principal objective to introduce the topic and target language through a short illustrated story to activity comprehension and vocabulary. In this, I have a presentation, a little story, that the story helps the Sophia helps the planet. I read this story. Sophia loves nature. Every day she helps her school. She picks up trash and puts it in the bin. The recycle bottles and papers. Sophia plants trees and save water. She says we should all help the planet. And the students have to recognize the vocabulary in this text and check with the 3 or 4 simples at the students how can I help the planet, and recognize of the before words. This activity is 10 minutes, and the stage number 2 with the principal objective is developing the reading comprehension and recognize main ideas and details. This activity is 20 minutes and is other little text. It's a farce. We can help our planet. We should recycle paper and bottles. We should not throw trash at the floor. We can plant trees and save water every day. The students have to read the text and chorus, and the students, and I read first and the students next without I read first. For this have this activity, the true or false, where the students grade a T for a true or F for a false, depending of the oration and purposes that we have here. We can all help our planet and check on the state of main idea. This is true or false, depends of the student's comprehension. Now have the stage number 3. Let's use the vocabulary and grammar from reading to write short sentence about the environment care. The students have to do a little sentence with the subject, verb, and adjective, present simple sentence, where they ask to other students the sentence and they answer the same questions. One in group, in partners. This activity is the time 15 minutes, 55 minutes, and present the words in group. For the students have a comprehension that how is work in group and how can I save the environment and the planet. And now for finally we have the evaluation, the form of the evaluation. Reading teacher instructions is I speak in English the sentence, the short sentence. For the students write the words in their notebooks and have 1 or 2 micro problems for resolve this activity. Pair read and discovery. Students pair up each read paragraph, allow the partner fills a peer rubric, short version 3 criteria, will listening, and ours quick positive feedback and I like. They have a words in group with the stage number 2 and have the self assessment into the there. And for finally we have the feedback and the scoring for know what the students understand, the aspects to better or the strongest and the weakest. And we have the rubric of the evaluations. For this activity, the evaluation, we have the criteria. The maximum note is 5 and the minimum is 1. And this is the rubric of the lesson plan number 2. Thank you for watching, teacher, and see you in another occasion.